What is up, guys? This is a video here coming to you of Angry Birds. This is my first video and I hope you guys enjoy it. Just knocking that one out pretty quickly because it is the first first level, so yeah. Yes, 2 stars. Ah, damn. Coming up here, gonna do this one. Damn, did it wrong. Usually I know a way of getting it with one bird, but stuff it. Yep, and just gonna do this. Knocking the final 2 over with 1 collateral. Yep, just getting that last part, and miss the rock or whatever it is. Damn. I'm missing everything today. Three stars. How good. I struggle with this one. Ooh, good start. Oh, yes. Take it out with only 2. Don't usually get that. Oh, I really struggle with this one. Oh, come on, fall down, rock. Yes. Oh, crap. Just need to get that rock to fall down. Yes. No! Oh, so close. Do it again. And yes, 2 birds this time. It's much better than the first time. I'm gonna end it there, guys. I'll bring you this part later, and there was a few fails, but I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe.